Hi, and welcome back to Dave's TR4A. In this video, I was originally planning on showing you how I replaced the worn out cloth seat covers on my TR4A with leather skins. However, I lost pretty much all of the video due to a hard disk crash on my laptop. So I'm just going to post a quick video here to talk about the update and show you the finished project. I bought the actual skins from a company called interior-innovations.com and opted for black leather with the following three options. Number one, I got perforations in the headrest for the speakers, and I asked for perforations in the seat in the back for ventilation, and I also sent them a TR4A logo to have them embroider that into the seat back right below the headrest. In regards to general quality, I'm really happy with the stitching and overall workmanship. The only downside that, in my opinion, there was a lot of excessive wrinkling due to how tightly packed the skins were in the shipping container. Me being a real noob on upholstery and doing this project in the cold garage, I struggled a lot with removing the wrinkles, and they're still relaxing even now. I'm hoping that sitting out in the warmer weather will further reduce the wrinkling. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions other than applying heat. I think the seats turned out pretty good. If you'd like to see a fairly detailed step-by-step how-to type video, please check out How to Reskin and Restore Your Miata Seats on Grog Dog's Garage YouTube channel. He was my inspiration on this project, and I probably wouldn't have started it if I hadn't at least seen how he did it. In his video, he demonstrates installing vinyl seat skins from Interior Innovations on a set of very similar Miata seats. My seats are out of a 1990 Miata, and although they were in fairly good condition when I got them, after 30 years, they're really starting to show their age. As I had said, I was very happy with the look and quality of the seats, and they're very comfortable, and I think the logo turned out great, especially when you consider the fact that all I sent them was a picture of my ignition key fob. So that's it. Well, that's it for now. Please like and subscribe. In closing, here's a small snippet from when my son and I went to Watkins Glen in 2019. Boy, I sure hope we can go back there again.